Most people are damaging their hair, skin, and joints every day without even realizing it. The good news is the solution is simple and low cost. This one tip can improve your hair, nails, skin, and much more. You may even find it quietly fixes several problems you are dealing with right now. And it all comes down to one thing: collagen. Here is what almost nobody tells you. Collagen is not just something you lose with age. It is something your body stops making properly. Collagen forms your connective tissue. Your tendons, ligaments, and cartilage all rely on it. About 1/3 of all collagen is made from a single amino acid called glycine. Glycine is not considered essential because the body can make it. But here is the problem. The body does not make enough. Most people eat plenty of protein like chicken, fish, eggs, and dairy. But these foods are low in glycine. You can eat a lot of protein and still miss the one amino acid that holds everything together. If you are not eating collagen-rich foods, you are likely low. The need for glycine increases with stress, medications, alcohol, toxins, and liver overload. The body simply cannot keep up. Since 1/3 of collagen is glycine, an easy way to get it is gelatin. Knox gelatin is one option. You can add a little stevia and take it regularly. Other options include bone broth, slow-cooked whole chicken soup, or traditional broths made from fish heads and bones. Taking too much glycine is not realistic. You would need extremely high amounts. Stick to 4 to 10 grams per day and take it with food. As you age, your need for glycine increases. Getting enough can help with many problems you're dealing with.